case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2001 case that rocked the brokerage industry, Morgan Stanley sued two former employees for soliciting clients within a 100-mile radius of their office, a violation of their non-solicitation agreement. Morgan Stanley was not, however, successful in the lawsuit, with the United States District Court for the Northern District of Georgia ultimately ruling in favor of the defendants. The Morgan Stanley versus Frisby lawsuit centered around a pivotal issue in the brokerage community: the extent to which companies can prevent former employees from poaching their clients. This is typically managed through restrictive covenants, but to be enforceable, they must be limited in time, geographic scope, and be deemed reasonable. Morgan Stanley attempted to get a temporary restraining order against the defendants but was denied by the court. It ruled that not only was the non-solicitation agreement excessively broad, rendering it unenforceable under Georgia law, but also contradicted Morgan Stanley's own hiring practices. Furthermore, the court found that the company had an adequate legal remedy available through an expedited injunctive relief hearing before the NASD. In reaching its decision, the court considered the balance of fairness toward the former employees and their clients, along with public interest. It concluded that issuing a restraining order was not in the public interest, as the potential harm to the public outweighed any damages to Morgan Stanley due to the disloyalty of its former employees. The underlying principle established in this landmark case has resonance with arbitration cases where the courts have traditionally sided with departing brokers. It clarified that brokers, on leaving, have a right to maintain client records and accept business from clients, provided they haven't improperly solicited them before resigning. Morgan Stanley's unsuccessful attempt to enforce the non-solicitation agreement stands as a reminder of the court's stance on broad and contradictory hiring practices.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.